Welcome back to the Directorist Foundation course, and congratulations on moving into part 2. In part 1, we focused on the fundamentals. We covered listings, categories, locations, search functionality, and the overall structure of a directory website. That foundation matters because now we are shifting from understanding how it works to understanding how it grows. In this part, we will explore the Directorist Premium ecosystem, including themes and extensions, and how they expand functionality, enhance user experience, and support real monetization strategies. With the free version of Directories, you can build a fully functional directory website. It's perfect for learning the system, validating your idea, or launching a simple directory without any upfront investment. You get core features like listings, categories, locations, search, and layout customization. But building something functional and scaling it into a business are two very different things. As your directory grows, your requirements evolve. The free version focuses on essential tools, which is great for getting started, but the premium version introduces advanced features and deeper functionality. It simplifies the overall user experience, it increases engagement, and it allows you to create more advanced workflows. Most importantly, it gives you flexibility, the kind you need when your platform moves from a project to a business. Directorist Premium unlocks the tools required to build a real directory businesses. This includes premium themes, high-demand extensions, advanced monetization options, booking system, engagement features, claim listing, ad management, and more. It allows you to create structured workflows. For example, user can submit listings, choose pricing plans, upgrade their visibility, interact with businesses, and generate revenue for your platform. Premium doesn't replace the free version. It builds on it. So when should you stay with free and when should you move to premium? If you are experimenting, learning, or building a small hobby directory, the free version may be completely sufficient. But if you are building a local business directory, a niche marketplace, or any platform that involves payments, promotions, or long-term scalability, premium becomes essential. The real difference isn't just features, it's your goal. In the next lecture, we'll begin working with themes. You'll learn how to choose the right directorist theme based on your niche, your goals, your long-term plans. And we will also discuss common mistakes to avoid when selecting one. So let's get started.
Directorist, a revolution in directory solution.